Hey guys, and welcome to today's video on my favorite page style 23. So as you can see, for my favorite page style number 23, I have included a stack pocket, and into the stack pocket you could place some journaling tags, or you could also place some photo mats or photo booklets. Then we need to attach tape right next to the scoring lines, and I actually like to use 3/8 of an inch score tape for this. And I actually noticed that I accidentally also attached the tape on all three sides of the second cardstock element A, but you would only need to attach it on the sides and not on the bottom of the pockets, and you will see in a second why. And after attaching our tape, we want to cut off the corners of the little flaps we created with scoring. So for this, I like to turn around my cardstock, and then I get my small scissors and I just cut it an angle right next to the scoring lines. And just make sure that you don't accidentally cut into the scoring lines, but just next to them. Once you have cut off the corners, you can go ahead and actually fold up the little flaps we created. And for this, turn around your cardstock because you don't want to fold it up on the side where you scored it or where you placed the tape on. So we want to fold it on the back side. And then I also like to get my bone folder and burnish it down. And as you can see, I also didn't fold the bottom of the pocket on which we didn't place tape on. So now we can go ahead and attach our cardstock elements A onto our basic page. And first we attach the pocket where we have tape on all three sides. So for this, I like to remove the tape backing just from one side from the bottom of the pocket, and then I can hold up the sticky side and align my pocket to the edges of the basic page. And once I have it in the right position, I can then go ahead and remove the rest of the tape backing, and then you can fold down the pocket and remove the tape backing from the sides, and then you can stick it in place and get your bone folder to burnish it down. And now to attach the second cardstock element A, you would need to slide the bottom of the pocket into the pocket you just attached. So yeah, you just wanted to slide up to the scoring line. And then I press it down and I remove the tape backings from both sides. And then I just stick it in place and burnish it down. And then we can attach our pattern paper A onto our cardstock element A. And when I attach my pattern paper onto my cardstock elements, I always prefer to use wet glue instead of tape, because by using wet glue, you are still able to move around your pattern paper until you find the right position and have an even border of cardstock around it. And after attaching both pattern papers A onto our pockets, we can go ahead and also attach the pattern paper piece we have left for the basic page. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and I hope that you enjoyed watching it. If you did so, please give it a thumbs up, and also I would love to get your feedback in the comments down below. So if you have any question, you could also leave it in the comments, and then see you in my next video. Bye!